What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Check it out. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this recap here on the day. Well, there you see all my orders. It's a green day. We'll go over that in a minute. We'll go over that here in a few. It's a green day today. A little bit over a base hit, almost a double on the day, basically a double, you could say. But just, I expected so much more, especially out of Tesla. But it never makes it easy. It never makes it easy at all. So we'll go over the watch list here. I was watching Gevo yesterday. I put it in the watch list for continuation, but Gevo overnight, literally at 12 a.m. busted out with an offering, and this is the results of that. You want to see the 15-minute chart. You could see here the gap down, and this is traded sideways all day long here, down here in those lows at 135, 140, just in that channel. It's traded all day after the gap down. So obviously nothing there for me. There was no continuation, and I bet you if anybody shorted that overnight, they got paid handsomely. I also had another ticker on watch this morning. Oh yeah, Pixie, PIXY, Pixie. I put out on the watch list. If you did not see my watch list and you don't follow me on Twitter, make sure you follow me on Twitter. Link in the description section to that. So you'll see my watch list pretty much every single day. And Pixie had a real nice move here. Let me show you that. Let me zoom in here for you. You can see where the trade would have taken place for me anyways. We had the quick pop. Whoops, trying to make this a little bit easier to see. There you go. We had the quick pop right out of the gates here in the first 6 minutes. These are 3-minute candles, and it just tried to trade sideways here between VWAP and the 9 AMA. And then I would have entered had I taken this trade right in here and one of these two candles right here ahead of this 9 AMA VWAP cross, and just ridden it to take some off right here in front of the high of the day and hold on to the rest for the further extension. And I know myself, I would have probably been flat somewhere up here in this 575 area. There's no way I hold this above 6, maybe a $6 test, maybe a small position, and I would have been stopped out of it on this candle right here probably. Had I been a little bit more disciplined and held to VWAP, I would have stopped out on one of these two candles here as VWAP broke down. So that was Pixie. It did now in the afternoon try to bust a move right back over VWAP here, but it didn't hold. This thing went all the way down to make a new low of day down here at 411, and finally broke above VWAP, started to hold it. So this is a good sign in here. We break VWAP on good increase in volume. We hold it here on the sideways consolidation, and then we got a quick pop, but it was quickly rejected like nasty. Look at that. So I would have traded Pixie in the morning here, but no trades for me on it. I traded as usual, good old Tesla, taking advantage while the volatility is there, because after that split comes through, we'll have some volatility for a while, but there'll be a whole lot more shares in the float, making it so that we don't have these 90, 150 point moves intraday as common as it is now. So taking advantage of that, I was looking to trade Tesla, and I took quite a few trades. I think I took a total of 4 trades on Tesla this morning, and it was mainly trying to get this this red to green move after this fail. My first trade was in here on this flag. Let me zoom in here a little bit for you to the morning action. So there you go. I was there trying to mess around with this flag here that was forming, okay? And I'll show you right here. Right here when we stuck that VWAP again, okay? I got long, and I thought we were going to break out to new highs, and I was going to make bank. I didn't, it didn't do it. It held the general area, but we broke down, and right within the same candle I bought in, I sold out of, okay, and booked that profit and called it a trade there. But I stuck around and waited, and I waited for what I really, really wanted, which would have been the red to green move. Now that red to green move, I thought was going to come in easy. It did not come easy at all. But I'll tell you what is easy, and what's super easy is downloading Webull in the description section. You download that free stock trading app, you fund the account with $100 and you get 2 free stocks valued between $1,200 to $1,400. And then you also have First Trade down there. First Trade, you download the app, okay? And you just open the account and you get 1 free stock. So that's 3 free stocks just for 5 minutes of downloading and opening up an account. So make sure you take advantage of that. Also, you can check out the description section there for the links to the trade idea scanners I use every single day. You have a 15% off coupon code. Make sure you take advantage of that. Now, as you can see here, how Tesla was acting the whole way through. It's like we're going to break VWAP, increase in volume. Look at the volume bar down there. No, we're not. It breaks back down. We're going to break VWAP, increase in volume again. No, we're not. Sideways, comes back under VWAP. Then I remember it very clearly. I tweeted it out. I told everyone I am leaving to take care of some errands. Tesla will go insane. And I tweeted that around, I want to say 10:30, maybe 11 something or 11:30. I tweeted it late in the morning. And sure enough, while I was out during lunch hours, Tesla busted out right through VWAP right here. Big increase in volume. No pullback to test VWAP. It just went. Held that 90 EMA, and Tesla went from 2060 all the way up to a new high, a new all-time high of 2095.49. Okay, so completely missed out on that trade. Not that I would have taken it. I'll be straight honest with you. Not that I would have taken it because that happened right during lunch hours, and I don't trade lunch hours because they generally don't work out very well, at least not for me. So I would have just passed on it. So I'm not even mad that I missed out on this. I'm pretty mad that it didn't do it. And any of these VWAP breaks like expected. I thought for sure this one right here that you see, we would have gotten it, but it didn't. It faked us out, came all the way back down, and then finally, it made its move. But I got some live trades, and we're going to go over those here right now. I'll show you the live trades, and then I'll show you all the orders and the P&L. So the first live trade of the day, I should have just stuck with this trade on the day and called it, quits. But I thought we had a lot of potential to get Tesla up to 2100 today. And, I kept around, I kept sticking at it, trying. So right here, you see that 2060 hold in VWAP. We, hold it. We just bounce right off of this level. And I get in 2 calls, okay? These are 2100 same day expiration calls. So I'm not planning on holding them too long because same day expiration calls, especially on Tesla, are pretty mean. So just took 2 of those there at $16 and change, and I was looking to ride it to a new high, and probably take one off at 24 bucks, 25 bucks, and hold on to the other one to see if we would get an extension move on the squeeze, and maybe take profits up well over 30, maybe 40 bucks on the last contract, making that a monster $3,000-$4,000 winner. So the risk reward was definitely there. As you can see here, this is a few minutes trade, like a couple minutes, 2.5 minutes almost. We're just holding that zone. I wait for the next candle to show up. Right there I thought we were gonna go. And then what was the plan? Easy enough. Break through the high, take 1 contract off, get this 90 EMA to cross up over VWAP and send us, to 2100. And that last contract was going to be a huge payday. But instead of that, this is the action we get. And I'm like, okay, forget it. I'm going to get out of this because it's not looking strong. It's not looking strong, right? That's what I said to myself. And I was correct. You can see right here, we never made that new high, and we took it all the way back under VWAP and made a fresh new low of day right after I sold. So bailed before the fail. That trade alone right there was a almost $400 winner. So I was happy about that. But then I thought that I was pretty smart and we were going to get the 90 EMA cross here. Okay. But we don't get the cross. You see here, I stop out of this contract right there. Bang. Stop out of that. Then I have one more trade here. Okay. And then I thought this was the one that was going to break VWAP and go. So this is 1 minute and 30 seconds basically. And these are expiration next Friday. So these are more expensive. These are $77 calls. I'm looking to hold VWAP, see if we're going to get this final move up to test the highs on that one. I add to a second contract there because see, we break this pivot We break this pivot, which it also, coincides with this general consolidation area, and volume is increasing. So I thought we were really going to go here. It tricked me. It faked me out so many times. It's ridiculous. Instead, this is the action we get. See right there? I'm like, okay, this is perfect. This is what I want to see. Let's get this 90 made across. Let's get this volume to increase, and let's go test those highs. I'm in 2 calls. I'm in at $77 and change, almost 78. We're already going off almost at 80. By the time this gets up there, we're at 90, and I got 2 calls. But no dice. Sell out of those right there. And that was my last live trade. I called it a morning right after that. And as you can see, it just broke down again and traded sideways. Then when I called it, I was going to leave. Of course, it decided to break out. So I'll show you here my realized gains. First trade of the day, made 314 bucks. On my last sell, I made 68. Then I lost $2.34, 152, 266, and then I made it all back here at 235 on that final sale. So today's change, 197 bucks, $200 day. I'll take it. I think I was green every single day this week, so I'm really happy about that. Ending the week strong and looking forward to next week, which is the last week of the month. Looking to end the month on a strong note. Let me know how you did. Remember to drop it in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video. I uploaded a brand new video today titled how to be a diverse trader, or the importance of being a diverse trader, and you're going to want to watch that video because it's very, very important, and you're going to see how being a diverse trader made me money on a day where I had made $0. All right, so make sure you check that out. I already uploaded that video today. Smash the like button for me, and I'll catch you on the next one.